Hi, Anthony Morgan's Training Academy. Today we're going to step back in time a little bit. The 1 and 3 inch power punch by Cjo James DeMaio. He introduced this to me back in, I guess, 2005, but it's how to work on your 3 inch punch. Now, this is a coffee can and it's filled full of sand. I've got some padding around it, and what this is for is to work on technique. Now, when I say technique, if I set this here, okay, and this is the 3 inch. Now, what I'm wanting to do is just get used to hitting without pulling away, just like that. So you get a slick surface, something like this, in a coffee can, and the fingers just touch, and you hit, okay? Now, as you notice, when I hit, I raise this, okay? Raise that like that. So here, and I hit. So you can work on this. It's an easy project. I've got carpet foam around here, which was like one of Cjo's favorite things to work with. He loves carpet pad. It's cheap. You can do a lot with it. So fill it full of sand. 3 inch is here, and you just hit. And you just get used to working this. Now you can blast it as far as you need to blast it, but that's not the point. The point is understanding this, that little shift here. So when I hit, I'm just moving that, okay, here. And you notice my hand's not doing this and hitting, but from here, I just drive here, okay? So, Cjo created this like 1975, okay? It's a great little tool. I mean, if you just like I said, just want to work fingers touching, that's 3 inches, basically 3 inches here. That's how Cjo labeled it, 3 inch power punch. So from here, elbows in, and I shift that up. So just a short little video. It's fun to work. I always told Cjo, I said, I would like to make one out of a 5-gallon bucket filled full of sand, and maybe a 50, and he just kind of laughed and he says, learn how to use this one first before you get into the 5-gallon buckets. But so just play, learn how to work it. We primarily use the right hand because if that's your strong hand, we do it here. We don't normally do it with the left hand just because it's weaker, and so getting used to using if you're right-handed, use your right hand. If you're left-handed, use your left hand. But from here, okay, just from here, and hit. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate everything all you guys that are subscribing to my channel, all the comments. Continue to share my videos, and thanks for everything, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.